It's a great week so far for all Xtreme Trader family, regardless if you are a free follower or a paid member. And speaking of the paid members, I wanted to share with you, my friends, that actually the VIP group on Telegram yesterday, they have made more than 165 pips of profit and net profit, of course, with our signals. And thankfully, we are having again another happy messages from the members who are actually enjoying the experience. This gentleman here says that he is glad to choosing our service and the signals are very good. And he's right, because actually this week the signals are way better than the last week. Also, it's my pleasure to announce to you that we actually have extended our Ramadan offer to be valid till the end of this week, because we have received several requests from the followers asking us to extend it till end of this week, and we had to obey and follow them. As a result, I'm happy to say that a 20% discount on all of our packages are offered until end of this week. So hurry up and grab it, and don't forget to contact our support to get more information about this deal or this offer and how to join the VIP group of Telegram. Also, if you wish, guys, if you look at the description below of this video, you will find the link to join the free group of Telegram. This is of course a completely free group. You can join it without any fee at all, and you will get one free signal every day, and you will actually be trading with Xtreme Trader team to join our discussions in the tradings. So of course we will share with you the setups of every free signal, such as this one, for example, the pound JPY, showing you the setup and showing you the after math of the result. I mean, that was really great. 45 pips made for free followers on Telegram. And of course you will get to get notifications and updates about any signal that I'm sending here on YouTube. So don't forget, my friends, to join the free group of Telegram, and of course contact our support to join the VIP group of Telegram before the end of this weekend to get the 20% discount offer. So let's now begin our midweek analysis, and as usual we will start with the EURUSD. So of course, you guys, you know, I have sent you last Saturday a video showing my expectations on the market's movement on Saturday. And right now on this video, we have to follow up with these signals, which I have sent last Saturday as well. So right now, the EURUSD has indeed reversed, just like almost 7 pips far away from my entry. However, the market has indeed went in the right predicted direction, of course. So now, what's next with the EURUSD? Now, first of all, we have to get rid, of course, of the old signal, since obviously it's no longer valid. And right now, based on the daily chart, we do have right now here, of course, a strong level of a key support, which I'm expecting actually a pullback to happen by today and ending by tonight. So therefore, my next observation on this market is to sell the EURUSD exactly right there at this level of a next resistance right here at 1.08762 for many reasons. First of all, based on the daily chart, this was of course a strong key support level, and the market actually kept ranging on this level multiple times. Then recently we had number 1, 2, 3. Keep in mind, I'm on the daily chart again. So the whole day candle is actually represented as a resistance. So resistance number 1, resistance number 2, resistance number 3, number 4, and finally number 5. Now, those attempts of resistance actually telling us that this level of a key support is very strong and most likely is going to hold the position. Now, remarkably, again, based on the daily chart, we do have right here one fake breakout from that level with a small shy attempt of a support. However, it instantly has been broken out from. Now, let's zoom in right here based on the 4-hour time frame to see this area here in more details. So, 4-hour time frame. Now, check this out. Right here, we can see a strong attempt of a resistance, which became here a support, and right here support number 1, 2, 3, and finally the bearish breakout candle. Now, this wick right here tells me that there is a lot of pressure right here, and the market right now is very strong on this level as a resistance. Therefore, waiting for the market to make another pullback and reaching the same level of the same resistance right here to create the second attempt of it is going to be the best opportunity to sell the EURUSD. There is absolutely no need to look for any stronger levels. That is going to be the best one. And of course, we have to wait for the market to rise to another 25 pips before we can start selling it. And if we do that, I would highly recommend to set our take profit level to be right here at the bottom of the support at 1.0800, ranging for about 76 pips of profit, and the safe zone that also shouldn't be ranging much higher than, actually not even higher than the nearest level of a key resistance at 1.0921. So therefore, the safe zone will be ranging for about 38 pips against 75 pips of profit. And let's now move to the pound USD. Pound USD has also went in the predicted direction. However, of course, it hasn't been triggered, and therefore we can say that this signal just not activated, but of course it was a winning one because the market just went in the direction that I have expected. Anyway, now what's next with this pair? Actually, first of all, I would like to delete the old signal, and let's start from scratch and move now to the daily chart. Now the daily chart here, guys, showing us very interesting things. First of all, this attempt of a real attempt of a resistance has indeed been ignored with the market. It didn't even create here a new support level. The market just kept falling down, exceeding that area. Even right here, we do have right here, of course, the next level of a real resistance, as we can see with this wick right here, which was also, of course, a real level of a resistance in the past. But yet again, the market just ignored it. So meaning the market is actually not respecting a single attempt of a support. However, when it comes to resistance, it's a totally different story. Right here, we can see clearly that this level of a resistance exactly right there has indeed been respected. This level of a resistance has indeed been respected. Let's keep going. The next level of a key resistance right there exactly, this one right here, exactly the same one we have marked earlier as a previous resistance. Instead of becoming a new support, the market just broke out from that level and indeed created here a new resistance. Keep in mind, I'm on the daily chart again. So meaning every single attempt of a strong resistance is being respected on this level. So that means if we move right now to the next level of a key resistance, which is right here exactly at 1.270, that is going to be, in my opinion, a good level to start shorting the pair, considering also that if we combine that, of course, with the resistance trend line, check this out, this is amazing. So right now we can see, actually, to be more accurate, on the same level of a key resistance, just like that. Fantastic, right now, exactly. Because we have actually previously marked this level as a resistance. So therefore, connecting those two attempts of a resistance trend line, as we can see, we will end up with a very good entry, telling us that if the market will make a pullback right here, it will first of all respect the previous level of a resistance right here at 1.270, and also it will face the resistance trend line as well. So there is a lot of pressure on the market right here on this price. So therefore, back to the 4-hour time frame, I would highly recommend to sell the pound USD exactly, to be precise, right there at 1.270. We have to wait for the market to rise to another 11 pips. Actually, let's make it safer. Exactly right here. Now, why right here? Because right there, as you can see, this is currently the bearish breakout candle, and this right here is the nearest tail to the bearish breakout candle. So therefore, that is going to be the safest level to sell the market again. And that means that we have to wait for the market to rise to another 17 pips before we can start shorting it. Of course, the take profit level has got to be placed somehow right here at the bottom of the support at one, actually even lower than that. Let's go to the daily chart. Yes, right there exactly. At 1.262, the take profit level is going to be equivalent to 91 pips of profit, and a safe zone that also shouldn't be ranging higher than the previous level of resistance at 1.275, ranging for about 44 pips only. And let's now move to the AUDUSD. Alright, so AUDUSD indeed hasn't been triggered. It actually reversed just like 5 pips far away from the entry, and it hit the take profit level instantly. So bad luck with the entry, but however, it was indeed a good signal, and I'm not sure if anyone have entered it, and hopefully guys, if you did, please share with us in the comments. And before we start, again, I forgot to tell you, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and kindly share the video. Now, what's next with the AUDUSD? Now let's delete this chart and go back to the daily chart to see now what can we expect next indeed. Now, it's important to understand that we do have right here, of course, a broken level of a resistance trend line. And right now, as you can see, now let me just tell you something. The normal behavior of the market, when you have a resistance trend line and finally been breaking out from, let me just show it to you. This is, of course, a resistance trend line, and the market just keep breaking out from it. Then instantly when the market breaks out from it, it will continue the rise till it reaches the next level of a key resistance. usually 61.8 Fibonacci retracement, and after that it will fall back again to retest the broken level of a resistance trend line to create, of course, a new support trend line. That's the normal behavior of the market, and that is exactly what we are seeing right here. A broken level of a resistance trend line, the bullish breakout candle, the reversal on the key resistance level, and right now the market is falling back to retest the broken level of the support, the resistance, trend line. So that means that right now the AUDUSD is most likely now going to continue the fall till it reach this level of a key support at 0.646. That means that we have to consider selling the AUDUSD. Now, saying that, if we look right here also, we can notice that right here also we are having a strong level of a key resistance as well, and by looking at the daily candles, that looks so promising. So many attempts of a resistance level has indeed been respected right there. So meaning we have to wait for a pullback to happen and sell the AUDUSD exactly right there after it make a pullback to another 18 pips. Alright, so by that we have to expect from the market to rise for about 24 pips, and we can expect again, as I said before, 63 pips of profit. Let me now please write the signal for you. And here's our signal for the AUDUSD, and I forgot to tell you that the edge of the safe zone will be ranging till the nearest level of a resistance at 0.656, ranging for about 31 pips only. Let's now move to the USDCAD. Wow, that was amazing. Look at the USDCAD, my friends. It has been activated not only once, but twice as well. So it was really a good signal. USDCAD with a very precise entry has reversed exactly from the given price of the buy at 1.352. And as we can see so far, the signal is running in about 55 pips of profit. If you have entered the signal, please share with us in the comments. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and kindly share the video. Okay, enough bragging about myself, and let's see now what we can do next with this signal. Now, what's the next? Actually, we are still expecting from the market to hit the take profit level, which is going to happen after another 20 pips. However, I'm actually expecting a pullback to happen, and that's going to happen almost right now. So most likely, guys, the market is going to make a pullback and is going to fall for a few more pips and retest a broken level of a previous resistance right here exactly at 1.355, which was of course the lowest level of a real support right here at, of course, the same price. So therefore, for the USDCAD, I would actually like to just edit the signal and reduce even the safe zone, and now change the buy to be exactly from this level right here. Oops, 1 second. To be the buy here at 1.355. However, wait a minute, it's my mistake, guys. It's mistypo. 3.55. Yes, 1.355. However, the take profit level is going to remain just the same because, of course, we cannot do anything about it. I'm not expecting from the market to rise higher than this level of resistance. Therefore, this is going to be a weird one. Yeah, the take profit level is going to be only 47 pips against 31 pips of a safe zone. I think that's going to be everything for the USDCAD. Let's now move to the USDJPY. Alright, so for the USDJPY, it also hit the take profit level, but unfortunately hasn't been activated. Now, what's next with this pair? Well, first of all, we have to delete the old signal, and let's now back to the daily chart. So right now we can notice that the market is indeed rising, and most likely is going to continue the rise till it reaches the highest level of a key resistance at 150.764. Now, I'm not going to brag about it. Actually, we have to be patient with the USDJPY. Yeah, USDJPY actually, guys, is really getting crazy nowadays. And since actually this is going to be our take profit level and the market already about to hit it, now we have to wait for the market to react to this level of a resistance. Now, the problem here is that the Japanese yen is really getting crazy nowadays. And therefore, I would highly recommend to wait and don't do anything with this pair. Just let's wait, guys, and see the reaction. If it's gonna, for example, if it's gonna be a bullish breakout candle from this level of a resistance, then we can consider waiting for the pullback and buy exactly from that level of a support. If it was a pullback, however, and the market is gonna reverse exactly at this level of a resistance, then we can sell again after making a pullback, and then we can wait for the market to reach this level of a resistance, and then we can sell the market. So it's really up to the USDJPY how it will react to this level of a resistance. So until it does, we can't do anything at all about this pair. It's a waiting game and we have to follow it. Let's now move to the USDCHF. USDCHF was also a perfect signal, and as we can see, it already hit the take profit level. Now what's next with this pair? Well, first of all, let's delete the old signal. And now you might tell me it's the same scenario with the USDJPY. The pair has indeed reached the resistance level right here, and we don't know what will gonna happen, and we have to wait. Well, you're wrong. Actually, the market has already reached that level, as we can see right here. And it has already reacted to that level of a resistance. So meaning we can expect now a continuation in the movement to happen. Let me just show you guys something. Let's move to the daily chart. Indeed, look at that. Now, based on the daily chart, if we draw here a resistance zone from here till here, as you can see, now, of course, this is a resistance zone. And as you can see, the market was ranging inside of this level of a resistance zone. However, yesterday, Monday's candle closed as a full bar candle. Now, that tells us that the USDCHF is most likely going to continue the fall again and retest the broken level of a resistance right here, exactly right there. And from there, it's most likely going to continue the rise after creating here a new support. So it's totally different scenario from the USDJPY. The pair is indeed going to continue the rise, and that is perfect. Look at that, guys. By looking at the daily chart, that is, of course, my strategy. Look at the bullish breakout candle, and then look for the nearest level of a support to that candle. Now we can see here a resistance, resistance, resistance. Where is the support? Resistance, and there it is. This one. Those two tails representing the nearest level of a support. Did I say resistance? I mean support. There is the support, which is the nearest one to that bullish breakout candle. Therefore, we have to wait for the USDCHF to fall back to this level of a support and then rise again, continuing until it reach the previous level of a key support as well at this level. So therefore, to make it short for you, we have to wait for this pair to fall to another 25 pips, and then the take profit level will be placed just right there exactly at the nearest level of a previous support as 0.895, expecting about 96 pips profit from this signal, and the safe zone that shouldn't be ranging lower than the previous level of a support right there also, just to be precise, exactly right there at 0.581, which means the safe zone will be ranging for about, let me just tell you, about 35 pips against 98 pips of profit. That's everything for the USDCHF. Let's now jump to the gold. Alright, so now the gold, my friends, was really a good signal. However, it hasn't been activated, but unfortunately, it has reversed just like, to be precise, exactly 10 pips far away from the entry, which is really a bummer because this would have actually been a very excellent signal with a very, very, very precise and accurate entry. However, now what's next with the gold? In my opinion, guys, we have got to keep the gold same as it is. This level of a key resistance is indeed holding the position. However, I would like to just edit the entry to be exactly right there. Now, why right there? Exactly right there. Why right here? Because as we can see, this was of course the strongest level of a real resistance, and as we can see here also, it has actually created here multiple attempts as number 1, 2, 3, 4, even 5 attempts of a resistance. So therefore, right now we can see that the gold is actually reversing upon the pressure from the support right here at 21.48. So therefore, if the gold will continue the rise, most likely it will reverse exactly at the same level of a resistance, and afterward it will continue the fall toward our take profit level, which is going to be convenient in my opinion. If we even draw here the resistance trend line, as we can see right here, that's going to be perfect. The market most likely is going to retest the same level of a resistance trend line, and that's going to be actually a good entry, and our take profit level, it looks decent as well. So therefore, gold signal to be adjusted to be sell at 21.61 this time, 61.53, and by that we of course have to adjust the safe zone as well to be exactly right here. So that's gonna be everything, my friends, for the midweek analysis. Again, don't forget, guys, to give a try to our free group of Telegram. to receive, of course, one free signal every day. And we're happily here share with you the current results in the VIP group. Of course, these are the current results. Thankfully, almost all of them running in profit. Of course, this was a mistake. It shouldn't be green because this is -3. However, the rest are actually correct, running in profit. Pound GPY even hit the take profit level, 35 pips of profit. Pound NZD running in 24 pips of profit. So really a great results. I'm so happy with it. And of course, don't forget to join the VIP group this week, of course, to get the best, or the most actually, of this offer, to join the group with a 20% discount on all of our packages. So until then, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.